starting this video off already in the car. Don't really know what's gonna happen with the group of cars right now. Just cruising downtown. I gotta top off my coolant. I think your radiator problems. Ooh. I typically don't like doing POVs at night in this car just because you can't see anything, quite literally. But you got a couple Gen 3 cars, you got a ZL1 up here. I have no idea what we're doing. Let me know if you guys like the nighttime POVs. I don't know what the hell y'all mess with or not. Shit in this car with this fuel pump setup. I would go ahead and like get up there, but to be honest with you, I don't know where the hell we're going at all. So I'm not gonna do that. Guys behind us too now. I'm not even like 100% sure. But we are like in the heart of downtown Houston right now. gotta put the interior back in here, but this weather is cold as hell, so. This is officially like the first cold start of, I guess, the Texas winter, man. And it's freezing out this bitch, I ain't gonna lie. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. As you guys can see, it's obviously a few days later, man. We got hit with the cold front here in Texas. It's cold up in here. You guys can probably hear my the pedal doing. It rattles a little bit. It wasn't the clutch cable, but the car does feel a lot better to drive. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it feels like the clutch isn't about to blow, or like doesn't feel like the clutch cable is about to be, you know, snapped, which is good, but it only does that rattle like on a decel, and then when I stop, it's done. So honestly, I actually have not greased it yet, but I will go ahead and do that. But for the most part, I mean, at least the car drives a little bit better. Now you guys can probably tell the sound inside of the car has changed. I have put the interior back in, or like 90% of the interior back in the car right now. I couldn't stand, well, I could stand it, but it just didn't make any sense to have the interior out this car. So I decided just to go ahead and put it back in. I'm gonna pull over and give you guys kind of a walk around real quick. I need to go ahead and put some more coolant in this car because it does need to be topped off. You guys can hear like the clutch pedal rattle. It's not as bad as it was with that eBay cable on it, but it's still there. It is what it is. But for the most part, like I said, the car is a little bit easier to drive. And you come to a stop and it ends, but as you guys can see, go ahead and give you guys a little walk around. See chopping. She dirty. Got caught in the rain. It's been cold, it's been rainy. But inside, you guys can see here, I got the interior back in here. That fuel pump is crazy loud. Interior in here, I still am going to do the DIY rear seat delete, but for the time being I gotta wait for the materials to come in because the hardware store did not have what I wanted, and I need like specific materials so it actually works and it's not just some fabric flopping around. So I'm waiting till that gets in here, but considering the fact that I am going to go ahead and keep the interior because of the fuel pump and how crazy loud it is, and in all reality, you know, I'm not going to go ahead and change the fuel pump just because it is loud. It is what it is. I don't mind it when the seats are back there, so, you know, fuck it. But I definitely am going to go ahead and get some racing seats in here. I've been talking about that for a while. I'm 100% going to do that now. The seats that are in the car currently, they're like the S197 seats. They're not even seats for this car, so they're gonna go I haven't decided on exactly what seat I want. I've been thinking about getting some Brom seats, honestly, just because they are affordable and they'll look good. I've seen them in new edges. A lot of people rock them, you know what I'm saying, because they look good. Now, I've been thinking of potentially either getting the black ones or the red ones. Honestly, I might get red just to kind of... Ooh, that cable is is going crazy. I might get red ones just so I can go ahead and like break up this interior, but I don't know, man. I might just get black, fuck it, just so everything's kind of clean. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, man. Would you guys get red? Would you guys get red seats? Or would you guys get black seats? Man, I've been putting some miles on this car too, man. Shit, I'm almost at 2K mile. Well, I just hit like, I think honestly 1,700 on this oil change. So I'll probably give this car like another week, and then I need to change the oil. I want to change it before I get to 2,000. I know that. I'm just kind of in that habit of changing my oil around every 2,000. You know, 1,800, 2,000. I'm not too sure how long. Or just say I'm not too sure how many miles I want to put on this car this weekend. I do have a buddy coming down to visit. His first time in Texas, so should be fun, should be fun. Not gonna go too crazy, but you know, just show him around, whatnot. Not too sure how. Oh, we got some crazy traffic up here. Not too sure how many miles we'll put on this thing, but not too much, because I still gotta do an oil change. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed the 2 POV drives. Stay warm because it's cold as hell out here in Texas. Stay safe because it is Halloween the day I'm recording this part of the video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces.